Okay, so I've finished putting all the electronics in it, except for the receiver and the motor. The reason I didn't put the receiver in is because I haven't gone to the hobby shop yet to buy it, which is the same reason that I haven't connected the push rods for my HS82 MG servos to my balsa L-Vons. And the reason that the motor is not on here, or the motor mount for that matter, is because Hobby City didn't ship their motor yet. It's in back order because it's such a popular motor. Everybody wants one, but nobody gets one for quite a while because too many people want one. So there's back order for you. But it is a Turnigy 3640 by 48 1400 kV 36mm motor that spins a 6.5 by 6.5 APC pylon racer propeller. I'm gonna do some watt meter tests with this one and a 6 by 5.5, which I don't have here, because I've been told by a little birdie that this propeller with the setup that I have on it is around 2,000 watts, and the motor's only rated at 1,600 watts. The power system that I have on it is a 90 amp Hobby City speed controller that has a 100 amp burst rate on it that can be used with like 8 cells, 7 or 8 cells maximum, and a 2,650 milliamp 6S LiPo battery. Oops. And it's a pretty big battery. It weighs almost a pound. And speaking of weight for this plane with everything, including the weight that the motor will weigh, which is around 170 grams or 130 grams. I can't remember that number right now. With that on it is about 3 pounds. It's like 2.9 pounds or something like that. It's 2.9. It's not 2 pounds and 9 ounces. It's 2.9. It's 2 pounds and like 14 ounces. Before I put all that weight in it, though, I did do some glide testing for the CG, and I found the CG to be about there on that line that nobody can see. I just did a couple dashes. But that's the CG that I found perfect with everything installed. I did add a carbon fiber spar down the whole length, so everything was bending. Now, instead of bending here, it bends here where the carbon rod isn't, which is just life. And then I have another carbon rod there. This carbon rod is 3mm, this carbon rod is 5mm. They are both hollow, and I have another 5mm rod in the front. And another one on this side. It's only this big though. Yeah, I did all the taping. This is 6mm Depron covered in the tape and embedded about 5 inches there. I'm going to use a Spectrum DX6i and an AR500 receiver. I got a Bushnell radar gun that I've tested on my car and my plane. The JATO 3.3 was going 62, and the F-117 was only doing about 60 miles an hour, 56. I think I could get more speed out of it because it was an absolutely windless day, and I was kind of going up a little bit because I was a little scared of the ground. I don't know why. It was acting all twitchy. I think it was tail heavy. But yeah, it seems pretty good. I have just packing tape around the leading edges and strapping tape here. The bottom is way different than the top with the yellow stripes and everything. So that's about it.